Hello, welcome to Introduction. In this video, we will introduce the rich, nutritional value of cinnamon and delicious recipes that utilize it. Cinnamon is a spice loved all over the world, and it is attracting attention not only for its aroma and taste but also for its health benefits. Today, we will learn how to cook with cinnamon, and give you some tips on how to incorporate cinnamon into your meals. Section 1: Nutritional and Health Benefits of Cinnamon. First, let's talk about the nutritional value and health benefits of cinnamon. Cinnamon is a superfood that is rich in antioxidants, and can be expected to control blood sugar levels and have anti-inflammatory effects. 1. Antioxidant effect. Cinnamon is rich in antioxidants that neutralize free radicals in the body. This can prevent aging and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. 2. Stabilizing blood sugar levels. Cinnamon is said to have the effect of increasing insulin sensitivity and stabilizing blood sugar levels. It is especially useful for managing type 2 diabetes. 3. Anti-inflammatory. Cinnamon also has anti-inflammatory properties, which may help prevent chronic diseases and relieve pain by reducing inflammation in the body. 4. Antibacterial and antiviral. Cinnamon also has antibacterial and antiviral properties, which may help prevent colds and infections. As you can see, cinnamon is not just a spice, but a powerful food that supports health. Next, let's look at some specific ways to cook with cinnamon. Section 2: Basic cinnamon cooking. Cooking with cinnamon can be started simply. Below are some basic ways to cook with cinnamon. 1. How to use cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder is the most convenient form to use, and can be added to many dishes and drinks. Cinnamon sugar. You can make cinnamon sugar by simply mixing cinnamon powder with sugar. Sprinkle it on toast or oatmeal for a flavorful breakfast. Cinnamon tea. You can make cinnamon tea by simply adding cinnamon powder to hot water. Add honey to taste for an even more delicious taste. 2. How to use cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon sticks are useful for adding depth of flavor to stews and drinks. Hot drinks with cinnamon. Adding a cinnamon stick to apple cider or mulled wine creates a warm, relaxing drink. Cinnamon and fruit stew. Adding a cinnamon stick to fruit stews makes the sweetness of the fruit and the aroma of cinnamon a perfect match. It goes particularly well with apples and pears. 3. Baking with cinnamon. Cinnamon is also often used in baking. Sweet treats made with cinnamon have a wonderful aroma, and fill the whole house with the aroma of cinnamon. Cinnamon rolls. Cinnamon rolls are a classic sweet made by rolling cinnamon, sugar, and butter into bread dough. Freshly baked cinnamon rolls are crisp on the outside, and fluffy inside, making them delicious. Cinnamon muffins. Muffins made with cinnamon mixed into the dough are perfect for breakfast or a snack. The flavor of cinnamon fills your mouth. Section 3: Healthy recipes with cinnamon. Here are some healthy recipes with cinnamon. Cinnamon enhances the sweetness, so it's perfect for when you want to cut back on sugar. 1. Cinnamon and yogurt smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup plain yogurt, 1 banana, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon honey optional, ice, as needed. Directions: 1. Blend all ingredients in a blender until smooth. 2. Pour into a glass and sprinkle with cinnamon powder to finish. This smoothie is nutritious and perfect for breakfast or a light meal. The addition of cinnamon brings out the sweetness of the banana, making it a satisfying drink. 2. Oatmeal with cinnamon. Ingredients: 12 cup oatmeal, 1 cup water or milk, 12 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon honey optional, nuts or fruits toppings. How to make. 1. Put oatmeal and water or milk in a pot and simmer on low heat. 2. When the oatmeal is soft, add cinnamon powder and honey. 3. Top with nuts or fruits to your liking and you're done. Adding cinnamon to oatmeal makes for a simple yet fragrant breakfast. Adding nuts or fruits will increase the nutritional value even more. 3. Cinnamon and apple cookies. Ingredients: 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 12 cup sugar, 12 cup unsalted butter, 1 egg, 1 apple finely chopped. Directions: 1. Mix flour, baking powder, and ground cinnamon in a bowl. 2. In a separate bowl, cream together butter and sugar, then add egg. 3. Add the dry ingredients and finally fold in the apple. 4. Scoop the mixture into a baking tray and bake at 180 C for 10 to 12 minutes. The sweetness of the apple and the aroma of cinnamon go perfectly together in these cookies. They are perfect for a snack or tea time treat. Section 4. How to store and choose cinnamon. To preserve the flavor of cinnamon, it is important to store and choose it properly. 1. How to store cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder should ideally be stored in a cool, dark place out of direct sunlight. Store in an airtight container to prevent moisture. Fresh cinnamon powder is characterized by its rich aroma and deep color. 2. How to store cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon sticks are suitable for long-term storage and tend to retain their aroma. Store them in a cool, dark place and tap them lightly to bring out the aroma when using. 3. How to choose cinnamon. When choosing high-quality cinnamon, it is important to choose one with a strong aroma and vibrant color. Also, choose organic cinnamon for a more natural flavor. Section 5. How to enjoy cooking with cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice that not only adds flavor to dishes, but also has a positive effect on your health. By incorporating cinnamon into your daily meals, you can expand your cooking repertoire and enjoy your meals. Cinnamon dishes can be used not only in desserts, but also in breakfasts and drinks. Also, by adding cinnamon to your cooking, you can reduce sugar and salt while still adding flavor. Ending. This time, we introduced cooking methods using cinnamon and its health benefits. Rediscover the charm of cinnamon and try incorporating it into your daily meals. If you liked it, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.